In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your ad campaign using HubSpot, an incredibly useful platform for managing your marketing efforts. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. The first thing you'll want to do is open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the full range of options available. Once you're in, let's navigate to the trial guide. This is a key resource that can really kickstart your form building process and provide you with a solid foundation for creating an effective ad campaign. Now that you've oriented yourself with the trial guide, head over to your homepage. Here, you should see a menu with various options. What you're looking for is the marketing section. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to many of the marketing tools HubSpot offers, and very soon it'll lead us to where we want to be. In the marketing section, look for the ads option and click on it. This part of the process is pivotal because it directs you to the ad management features within HubSpot. Once you've clicked Ads, you'll notice a button that says Get Started with Ads. That's exactly what you want, so give it a click. Upon doing so, HubSpot will present you with 3 major ad networks to choose from: Facebook, Google Ads, and LinkedIn. Each of these platforms has its strengths, depending on what your marketing goals are and where your audience is most active. For instance, if you're targeting a younger demographic, Facebook might be ideal. Google Ads are fantastic for reaching individuals actively searching for products or services, and LinkedIn is perfect for business-to-business campaigns. Feel free to select one of these networks based on your strategy. Once you've chosen a network, you'll notice prompts appearing on your screen. These are crafted to guide you through the setup process specific to your selected ad network. Follow these prompts carefully, as they will help tailor your campaign to fit your unique needs and objectives. And that's it. By following these steps, you've structured your ad campaign using HubSpot, a powerful tool to manage and track your marketing efforts efficiently. Remember to keep monitoring your campaign's progress and make adjustments as needed to optimize performance. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found that these instructions clear and helpful. Until next time, happy marketing.